Hello everyone and a very warm welcome back to my channel. Today session is extremely important for the candidate who are aspiring to the Bihar Police and Assistant Sub Inspector. The official notification 2026 is finally out and this 20-minute comprehensive guide I will walk to the thought the entire application process. We will discuss everything from eligibility to final submission so that you don't make any mistakes. We move to the computer screen. Let us analyze the ability criteria details. To apply for the ASI Assistant Sub Inspector post, you must many of you as final year student apply for well. The notification clearly state that you have a completed degree by the cutoff date. Also, regarding the limit, please ensure you have category the satisfied certificate and ready. You are asking is election. Before we have moved to the computer screen, let's analyze the ability criteria in detail. To apply for ASI Assistant Sub Inspector post, you have must hold a bachelor degree from the recognized university. Many you as final year student can apply well. The notification clearly states you must have your completed degree by cutoff date. Also, regarding the age limit, please ensure you have a category certificate ready if you are asking. Now we are on the main page of Assistant Sub Inspector Bihar Police. Now let's talk about the application start date 4 February 2026 and last date 4 March 2026 and payment last date and 4 March 2026 and admit card is showing before exam date. Let's talk about the application. The challan for all categories 100 and the payment mode online. You will make the payment using the following method and debit card, credit card, internet banking, IMPS and cash card, mobile wallet. Now let's talk about the age limit. Minimum age 21 year all category and maximum age 27 year general EBC male. And the total number of posts here is 462 and post name ASI Assistant Sub Inspector Operation and total number post here is 462 post. Candidate must eligibility criteria. Candidate must have passed BSc with physics as a subject secured at last 50% marks for the AC/ST candidate. The minimum required marks are 45%. Click on the apply link and after playing will you step by step from so I click on click here. There registration stage, the first stage registration and payment, then second step fill application form and third stage view application status. So let me click on the registration and make payment. An introduction is given here. You should read on understand this introduction carefully. After that we will click on the next step. Then here we will click on the declaration checkbox and click on the proceed to registration and payment. First of all, now enter your first name here, then enter your second name, then enter your surname here. Onwards, then we will choose your nationality here. After that, we will type a valid email ID here. Then he is asking, are you domicile of Bihar state? Yes and no. Now click the yes. Now we will choose select application category here. Then we will select the gender here, whether it is male and or female. He is asking again, are you an ex-serviceman? Yes, no. Now click here is no. After that, we will click on the proceed button. After that, we see a registration preview. You need to check it carefully. Any spelling error can be corrected now. Then click on the declaration checkbox and enter the captcha. If you still feel there is any problem or there is a spelling mistake, then you can click on edit application details. If there is no mistake, click on to make payment. We will then presented with the on application. We will then presented with option to make a payment. Select internet net banking or UPI to make a payment. So let me make the payment through UPI right now and tell you. After that, you have to wait a little. You will then receive a registration number. Note it down or take a photo and keep it with you. After that, click on proceed to fill application form. You can also download your payment receipt from here. Click here to download it. Now we will click on the proceed to fill application form. And as soon as you have clicked to on OK. After that, you have to click on the declaration checkbox here. After then, father's name, mother's name, and marital status have to entered here. Then select your ID card number from the list. Use the pin that out of the ID card to type in your ID card number. After then, identification mark has to be given here. Now here you have to choose freedom fighter, yes, no. After that, you have to fill the education qualification details here. Matriculation details will be entered in the first column. And in the second column, you have to know the details of graduation in physics. PG is optional here if you have on it. Okay, if you don't have one. After that, you enter your permanent address and correspondence address. If your permanent address and correspondence address match, you find the correct speed here. After that, the total option for declaration criminal case has to be selected, and all option no selected. After that, you have to upload the photo and signature here. Here is key point. The photo must be crystal clear. It must be clear and not more than 2 months old. The photo must be recent and JPG or PNG format. After that, Hindi and English signature has to be uploaded here. And here the signature in JPG and PNG format and should be less than 50. After that, click on the proceed. After that, it will be finally submitted here. Here you will get to print registration number and you have to download it here because it will be useful until the end. Print on out and keep a copy nearly. If you like our video, then please comment, subscribe and press the bell icon.